नमस्कार। पिछली क्लास में हमने फ़िल्ट्रेशन के बारे में पढ़ा था, बेसिक्स उसके, डिफरेंट फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग फ़िल्ट्रेशन, थ्योरीज ऑफ फ़िल्ट्रेशन as well as objectives of filtration. In this lecture we will study about filter aids and filter medias, different filter aids and filter medias used in filtration process. Now first we will move on to the filter media. So what is filter media? So it is one of the important part of filtration assembly. So depending upon this filter media, the filtration depends, the rate of filtration depends. So it is the surface upon which solids are deposited in a filter, that is called as filter media. Okay. So as you see in the diagram, this is the filter media. So above this filter media the solid particles are deposited. So the surface upon which the solids are deposited and the fluid passes through it, that surface is called as porous surface, is called as filter media. Now characteristics of filter media: first, it should be capable of delivering a clear filtrate at a suitable rate. Means the filter media, with the help of this, it passes the filtrate, a clear filtrate through it at a suitable rate. Second is, it should have sufficient mechanical strength. Why? Because the above this filter medium, filter cake is depositing, above that slurry is also present. So it offers some mechanical pressure over the filter media, and also the gravitational force is also applied over the filter media. So due to this, the filter media should have sufficient mechanical strength to avoid the breakage or leakage of filter media. It should be inert, that means should be non-reactive with the slurry. It retains the solid without plugging at the start of filtration. That means the filter media should be such that it only retains the solid particles and it passes the liquid through it, and that solids should be retained without प्लगिंग दिस फिल्टर मीडिया. इस फिल्टर मीडिया को प्लगिंग होने ऐसा होना चाहिए कि जब हम फिल्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं और उसकी वजह से ये जो फिल्टर मीडिया है इसमें सॉलिड्स एंट्रैप ना हो जाए या प्लग ना हो जाए, जिसकी वजह से फिल्ट्रेशन रुक जाता है. तो फिल्टर मीडिया को ऐसा होना चाहिए कि सॉलिड्स उस पर रिटेन्ड हो और लिक्विड्स आसानी से उससे पास हो जाए. साइज of the filter media should not exceed the size of dimension of bacteria or spores. That means the bacteria or spores which are present, that should also be filtered. The size of filter media should not exceed the dimension of bacteria or spores. Selection of filter media. The different filter medias which are used for filtration process depends upon the following factors. First one is size of particle to be filtered. Larger sized particle, smaller sized particles or finer particles. Depending upon the size of particle which is present in the slurry, we have to choose the filter media which is to be used for filtration process. That means for finer particles, we have to always keep in mind that the pore size of the filter media should be less than the particle size to avoid द पास, अगर पोर साइज फिल्टर मीडिया का छोटा रहेगा सॉलिड पार्टिकल से, तो क्या होगा कि सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स उसके अंदर जाके एंट्रैप नहीं होगा। इससे क्या होगा कि क्लॉगिंग जो होती है फिल्टर मीडिया की वो हम अवॉइड कर सकेंगे। तो साइज ऑफ द पार्टिकल also plays an important role while selecting the filter media. Second, amount of liquid to be filtered, कितना लिक्विड है या पानी है जिसको कि फिल्टर करना है। सो बिकॉज filter paper, if there is a very small amount of slurry containing the liquid, in those cases filter paper, if you are using filter paper, it absorbs liquid. So, the filtrate is, we can say that some quantity of filtrate is wasted. So, amount of liquid to, if you are using more amount of liquid and using filter paper as a filter media, then due to this presence of liquid, the filter paper gets turned out, ये फट जाता है। तो इस वजह से अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड जो कि हमें फ़िल्टर करना है उसके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कि हम कौन सा फ़िल्टर मीडिया चूज़ करेंगे। नेचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट टू बी फिल्टर्ड, थर्मोलेबाइल सब्सटेंसेस, केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस, किस तरह की चीज़ें हमें फ़िल्टर करनी है, उसका नेचर कैसा है, इसके ऊपर भी फ़िल्टर मीडिया का सिलेक्शन डिपेंड करता है। फोर्थ पॉइंट इज़ पर्पज़ ऑफ फिल्टर, फिल्ट्रेशन का हमारा पर्पज़ क्या है, क्लियर लिक्विड चाहिए या हमें बैक्टीरिया को रिमूव करना है, क्या है हमारा पर्पज़, अकॉर्डिंगली वी आर गोइंग टू चूज़ द विच टाइप ऑफ फिल्टर मीडिया we have to use for filtration process. The simplest filter media that we are using for filtration is filter paper. Okay. So, this is the filter paper is the most common filter media. Why? It offers controlled porosity. This filter media offers controlled porosity, limited absorption characteristics, and it is overall it is a low cost product. So, because of these reasons filter paper is used is a very commonly used filter medium. There are different grades and qualities of filter papers are also available, having different pore size such as coarse, medium and fine. So, depending upon the size of pore, filter papers are available in different grades. So, according to our need, what size of particle is to be removed, accordingly we can use the different grades of filter paper. Disadvantages of this filter media filter paper is they said very fine particles to the filtrate, बहुत ही माइन्यूट पार्टिकल या फाइन पार्टिकल्स अगर कोई प्रेजेंट है उसके अंदर स्लरी के अंदर तो वो उससे पास हो जाती हैं और वो फिल्ट्रेट में आ जाती हैं। तो ये बिगेस्ट डिसएडवांटेज है फिल्टर पेपर का। सेकेंड डिसएडवांटेज, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ लिक्विड, मतलब कुछ लिक्विड की क्वांटिटी फिल्टर पेपर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है, तो फाइनल जो फिल्ट्रेट आता है उसमें कुछ अमाउंट कम हो जाता है, कमियाँ, ठीक है। सो ये दो डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं फिल्टर पेपर के जो कि हम यूज़ करते हैं एज ए फिल्टर मीडिया। नेक्स्ट टाइप इज़ woven material. Two types of woven materials are generally used. First one is nylon cloth. Instead of nylon cloth, cotton cloth is also used as a filter media, but there are some advantages of nylon cloth over cotton cloth. क्या advantages हैं? First one is it is superior to the cotton cloth. ठीक है, कॉटन क्लॉथ से ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है। Second, not affected by molds, fungus and bacteria. मतलब फंगस या बैक्टीरिया इन सब चीज़ों का नायलॉन क्लॉथ पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता है। वेयर एज अगर हम कॉटन क्लॉथ यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो उसमें फंगस या बैक्टीरिया लग जाते हैं। ठीक, इट हैज़ नेग्लिजिबल एब्जॉर्प्शन प्रॉपर्टीज एज in case of filter media, filter paper, we have seen that filter paper absorbs some amount of liquid, but nylon cloth, it has a negligible absorption properties. Okay. So, because of this this negligible absorption properties, it has an advantage over other filter medias. It is also strong as compared to the cotton cloth. So, nylon cloth is much more stronger than cotton cloth. So, if the large amount of slurry is there, in those cases we can easily use nylon cloth for as a filter media for filtration of solid particles. Next is woven wire cloth. Okay. So, this is another type of filter media. In this case, wires are used. So, these wires are made from stainless steel. Okay. So, with the help of this stainless steel, this wire cloth is woven wire cloth is prepared and which are used as a filter media. So, this wire clothing it is very easy to clean and it offers more mechanical strength. So, they are long lasting also. The biggest advantage is resistance to chemicals. So, these are since it is made up of stainless steel. So, it offers resistance to chemicals, that means chemicals does not have any much role over this type of filter medias. Next filter media that is used for filtration purpose is cotton wool. कौन सा है? Cotton wool. So, this is the diagram of cotton wool which is used as a filter media. Commonly used cotton wool is we can say that a small toe of cotton wool, it is placed in the neck of the funnel. So, let us see, this is the diagram of a typical funnel. So, on this neck cotton wool is placed like this and over this the slurry is poured into this funnel. So, in this way this cotton wool offers retains the solids and the liquid is passed through this funnel. So, in this way we can use cotton wool as a filter media and separate the solid particles from slurry and collect the filtrate. Next is glass wool. So, this is an example of glass wool filter media. Use of this filter, with the help of this glass wool filter media, we are able to filter highly corrosive chemicals. Okay. So, if the slurry is highly corrosive, then we can use glass wool as a filter media. But there is a disadvantage of using glass wool as a filter media. It contaminate the filtrates, may contaminates the filtrate with glass fibers. Since if the glass during filtration, what happens, the glass fibers which are present over the this filter media, it passes through the passes through it and comes in the filtrate. So, due to this sometimes the filtrate gets contaminated. membrane filter. Next category is membrane filters. These are also a very common filter media which is used in case of ultrafiltration methods. So, those methods where ultrafiltration is or the ultrafiltration methods, the most commonly used filter media is membrane filter. These filter media are made up of cellulose, polyvinyl chloride, nylon or any other cellulose derivatives can be used for the preparation of this membrane filter media. This type of filter medias are having varied size range, having this have a pore size of 8 microns to 0.22 microns. That means, you see the range of filter media that can be used, membrane filter media, it has a pore size of 8 to 0.22 microns. Advantages: bacteria are removed by sieving by using this type membrane filter media. Absorption of medicament is also negligible in this case. Filtration is rapid and it do not liberate any particles to the filtrate, as in case of previous case, that is glass wool filter media, the glass fibers are liberated in the filtrate, but in this case membrane filters, those type of particles or fibers are not liberated into the filtration. So, there are certain advantages with this by using this filter media. क्या है कि बैक्टीरिया को हम रिमूव कर सकते हैं, मेडिकामेंट या लिक्विड जो है वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होता है और फिल्ट्रेशन जो है वो फास्ट होता है. कोई भी पार्टिकल्स या फाइबर्स फिल्ट्रेट में नहीं आता है, जिससे कि प्रोडक्ट कंटामिनेशन होने का या कंटामिनेट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. देयर आर सम डिसएडवांटेजेस also associated with membrane filters. क्या क्या है? Fine pores may get clogged easily. Since the pore size of filter media is small, so there are chances कि इसमें clogging हो जाए due to the presence of high amount of solid particles or slurry. सॉल्युबल कुछ ऑर्गेनिक सॉल्वेंट्स होते हैं जिसमें कि ये मीडिया, उसमें सेलुलोजिक मटेरियल है तो ये उसमें सॉल्युबलाइज हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल कीटोन्स एंड एस्टर्स, अगर इनको लेते हैं तो इस केस में ये सॉल्युबलाइज होने के चांसेस हैं. और क्या डिसएडवांटेज है? जब ये फिल्टर मीडिया ड्राई रहता है तो बहुत ही ब्रिटल होता है. दैट मीन्स if you apply some pressure in that condition, it may break down due to its brittleness. Okay. So, these are the different pore size of filter media, and this is the particles, type of particles that can be removed. For 0.2 pore size, 0.2 micron pore size, all bacteria are removed. 0.45, all coliform bacteria are removed. 0.8, all airborne particles are removed. 1.2, all non-living particles dangerous in all non-living particles that are dangerous in case of IV fluids that can be removed by using this 1.2 micron size membrane filter. 5 micron size, all significant cells from body fluids which may come out that can be filtered by using this 5 micron pore size filter membrane filter. So, this is important part, that means question may come, what is the different pore size of membrane filters that can be used for filtering different type of particles, or list out the tabulate the pore size along with the different types of particles which is to be filtered by using membrane filters. Sintered glass, it is also used as a filter media. It consists of Pyrex glass powder. So, this material Pyrex glass powder is used in case of sintered glass filters, for making of sintered glass filters. It is used for filtering parenteral preparations also. Parenteral preparations can be filtered by using this sintered glass filter media as a filter media. It is used for filtering the corrosive liquids and oxidizing agent also. It does not shed any particles into the filtrate, do not absorb any liquid, and it can be easily washed. Okay. So, these are the various advantages associated with sintered glass filters. Cartridge type filter media, it is made up of cotton, asbestos and cellulose. So, these are the description of different types of filter medias which are used for the filtration process. Now, the next part of our lecture is filter aid. Different filter aids which are used during the filtration process. What is filter aid? These are the substances which can be used in concentration up to 5%. That means, the optimum concentration of filter aid that can be used in a filtration process is 5%. So, where we are using this filter aids? To high resistance cake. Why we are using filter aids? For decreasing the resistance. filter aid क्या है कि ये एक सब्सटेंस होता है जिसको हम इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं ड्यूरिंग फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस. कितनी क्वांटिटी में? 5% मैक्सिमम क्वांटिटी है जो यहाँ तक कि हम इसको डाल सकते हैं फॉर फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ और लिक्विड्स और ड्यूरिंग फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस. क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? क्योंकि ये क्या करता है, जो केक फॉर्म होता है उसके से जो रेजिस्टेंस डेवलप होता है उस रेजिस्टेंस को ये मिनिमाइज़ करता है. तो इससे एडवांटेज ये मिलता है कि रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन जो है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाता है. किन केसेस में यूज़ करते हैं? हम इसको उस केस में यूज़ करते हैं जब हाई रेजिस्टेंस केक फॉर्म होते हैं. सो in short, filter aid is used to increase the filtration rate by decreasing the resistance offered by filter cakes. Clear? Now, characteristics of filter aids. It should be chemically inert and free from impurities. It should have low specific gravity. That is why it remains suspended in the liquids. It should be porous rather than dense, so that porous or pervious cakes can be formed which offers lesser resistance to the rate of filtration. And after filtration the filter aid can be recovered. Mechanism of action of filter aid. How this filter aid works? So, by applying filter aid, it imparts rigidity and porosity to the cake. How? Due to their peculiar irregular shape. Filter aids are having peculiar and irregular shapes. So, due to this it offers high range of porosity and also it imparts rigidity to the surface, low surface area and narrow particle size distribution. Due to these principles, filter rates increases the rate of filtration and decreases the resistance offered by filter Kx. This rigid structure, it provides support for the compressible particles in the slurry. Examples of filter aids are purified talc, Kieselguhr, diatomaceous earth, charcoal, kaolin, asbestos, cellulose, or volcano glass, that is called as perlite. So, these are the different agents which can be used as filter aid during the filtration process. Effect of filter aid concentration on filtration rate. As we have explained earlier, that the filter aid which is to be used during filtration process should not be more than 5% concentration. So, effect of concentration on filtration rate. As you see in the graph, as the concentration of filter aid increases, the rate of filtration also increases to some extent, that is up to optimum concentration. That is what is written here. As filter aid concentration increases, rate of filtration increases. So, at this optimum concentration, the rate of filtration is highest. As soon as the filter aid concentration increases or passes this optimum concentration, the rate of filtration starts decreasing. So, what happens at optimum concentration, the filter aid concentration increases, which leads to the increase in porosity, and due to this increase in porosity, the rate of filtration increases. But after optimum concentration, the filter aid concentration increases the porosity and the thickness of cake also increases simultaneously. Due to this, it leads to the increase in thickness of cake, which leads to the decrease in rate of filtration after optimum concentration of filter aid is used. Now, filter aid application of filter aids. These are the different methods by which filter aids can be applied. One is body mix method. In this method, filter aid, the concentration of filter aid used is 0.01 to 4%. Pre-coat method. In this case, pre-coating of filter aid is done. That means filter aid slurry is passed over the filter medium, so that a pre-coat is formed, and after that filtration starts. A special pre-coat method. This method is used in rotary drum filter for the filtration purposes. We will discuss about this method in during the rotary drum filters. These are the different classification of filters based on application of external force, based on operation, and based on nature of filtration. We will discuss in next lecture also regarding this classification of filters, references, and thank you.